Yes, my people, good day. How you feeling today? Customer states. My truck has been sitting for a while. I want to get it back on the road. Check it out for me and see what needs to be done. So first thing, check this out. If you jack up your front wheel and you place your hands like this and shake and you see this happen. See that movement? That bad. Some form of steering or suspension component worn out, and we have to address that. More than likely, it feels to me like tie rod end, but we'll take a closer look. Come on, let's go. See that tie rod end right here? See that? Outer tie rod end bad. The inner tie rod end looks tight. But sometimes, when it is that bad, the inner one can be bad too, but not as bad as that, and it's hidden. So you have to check it out good, because after you replace that one, you realize that the inner one has some play as well. So when in doubt, check it out. All right, let me see what's going on with the ball joint. Boy, something don't feel right there. Something don't feel too right there at all on the driver's side. So let me check the passenger side and see what we find. Yeah, suspension work required. Let's go. Let me see what we have. Oh, Lord. Badly, man. Yeah, see it? All right. Oh, yeah. We have something going on, too. Yeah, that ball joint done. Both the ball joint and the bushing. All right. This is what it looks like when I get done making the list of everything that needs some attention. Looks more like a Walmart grocery list, but sometimes that's just what it looked like. Hey, I didn't make all these things fail. All I do is just observe it and then pass it on to the client, and then they decide. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah. And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.